you can see we got our cross brace up, and it is strapped to that outboard engine stand there. Now this part here, if you notice, I'll demonstrate. I can actually lift the mast from the ground. And set it in the cross brace there, not a problem. Okay, now we have the jib sheet running up here and attaching to the top of the gin pole. And I have it cleated off down here at the bottom of the mast. So the gin pole is held up from the top. It's held up with the baby stays, baby shrouds, whatever they are, on either side, tied off to the cleat here on the beam. And we've got the main sheet here. Main halyard, that's right. Main halyard that goes up to the top of the mast, and we're using it as a shroud or a stay. So it's lashed off here on this beam as well. Then the actual shrouds themselves they're temporarily taped here just to hold them up, and they run up and they're attached at the head of the mast too. Look up a little further, Rex. The box for the gin pole, same as yesterday. I've got it cleated off and tied off to the mast there. The forestay is coming up here, and since the mast is down, it's got several feet to come yet. Right there's the forestay, and it's coming through this conglomeration here. We've got these blocks going up to the top of the gin pole and coming down here to the bridle. Now, once we get the mast standing erect, then I'll pull this one down and we'll tie it off for the forestay. And then I'll adjust the lashings on the forestay so that, that's kind of neat, leaving everything at an angle, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Anyhow, we'll lash the forestay and relash the shrouds so they're the proper tension or whatever. That's all right. What do you think? Yeah, that's what I was afraid you were saying. The shrouds are too tight. So, take it down again. get it right or we're not going to do it. Stay out from under it.